Hey, what's up guys? My name's Clayton J, and today I am going to be talking about my top surgery. I am 11 months post-op top surgery. I had top surgery April 6, 2021, and I am 3 weeks and 6 days post-op revision top surgery. And I had that February 9th, 2022. So yeah, and I'm ready to show you guys everything. Alright guys, so I'm 11 months post-op top surgery. I thought I was 10 months post-op. If you guys can tell from my YouTube videos, I have no 10 months top surgery YouTube video. And it's because I guess I'm a month behind on every single post. So I just use my Instagram photos and the captions on that, but I've never made a 10 month. So I don't know. Everything's kind of messed up, but I'm 11 months, and that's what we're going with now. I talked to Siri, asked her how long ago was April 6, 2021, and she says 11 months. So I guess I'm 11 months. My calculation was off. So, yeah. And I'm pretty much back to normal. So I had revision 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks and 6 days, so about 4 weeks. And look, like, I can raise my hands now. I do everything at work. I'm not, like, restricted or anything. I just went to the chiropractor yesterday, yeah, and I was getting my back cracked and everything, so like they're like stretching and like pulling, so everything was fine. I think everything's pretty much fine. I still like to take it a little bit easier. Like, we have a gym. I really want to hit the gym. Like, I've been running at the gym at the treadmill, but I have not like lifted weights yet because I don't want to like put too much weight and lift, and then what if something happens? So I'm still waiting on that. I mean, I've done a couple push-ups here and there, but like I don't want to do anything like excessively like that I don't need to do right now, you know? And yeah, so, first of all, I got a new haircut. You guys saw it like last video, but I styled it differently today. I styled it up. Oh, got some hanging there. But I kind of like it. What do you think? Kind of getting tall, but it is what it is. Alright, so, this is it. So, look, this is 10 months right there. Look how beautiful that looks. Like, when I stand over here, you can't even see that right there. But I know you can see this and this. Well, I think it stopped right here because that's old scar. So this is the new scar right here for my 3 weeks and 6 days revision, which is looking really good. There is a bump right there. I don't know what it is, but can't fix it. And also another thing is, wow, I really don't like that bump on camera. Wow, that's gonna bug me. Yeah, that's bugging me already. And another thing is, this is kind of thick. Like it doesn't look thick in person. Like, I mean, in, like, on a camera or whatever. It doesn't look thick, but, like, I can feel it. Like, it's a bump, but it's not that big. And this, guys, this looks perfect. Remember, that one was the thick scar. So that looks perfect. They did a good job. Literally, my doctor said last time I went to the doctor, he's like, all right, you're good. Don't come back to me unless you need to. And I'm like, fuck yeah, like, that's awesome. Which sucked a little bit because, like, he was talking so fast and kicked me out. I didn't get to talk to him. You know, you guys know I have that thing on the back of my ear. That blowout for my gauge. I blew it out like 2 years ago, and I talked to the nurse about it, and I forgot to talk to him about it because when my doctor comes in, he just like, he tries to just get out, you know, he's like, cool, you look good, all right, I won't see you ever again unless you need me to, and runs away, and I'm like, fuck, I forgot to talk, you know, because he goes so fast, I'm like, yeah, you know, because obviously he's like well known, he's like one of the best, surgery guy, so he does his thing. He has to go and go help other people, which I understand, but like then it kind of throws off my head because he's going so fast, and I was just thinking about a lot of things I want to say, and then it's like I draw a blank when he walks in because he starts talking so fast. I'm like, I'm good. And then after I left, I'm like, dang it, like the nurse told me to talk to him about it because he might be able to fix this, and since I'm already in there, like maybe it'll be like a little cheaper. I don't know. I really want this fixed though, but only because I want another gauge, but it is what it is. I actually get compliments that I only have one gauge in. I don't know why, but I kind of feel like I crick in my head more having one. But yeah, my scars I'm happy with. Everything looks good. I know it's gonna, and also, the video before this, I think I'll upload that one first. Maybe. I don't know for sure. Either one. I don't know which one I'll update first, but I got scar stuff, you know. And those, I hope, will help these out a lot. I have not used them yet. So excited to use those, and hopefully they'll help out the scars a lot, you know, because I usually don't use anything on my scars, you know. I dead ass don't. Before my revision, what I've been using was, like, when I was obsessed with scar care, like, the first ever time, I used cocoa butter, coconut oil, bio oil, just anything I could think of that says oil, you know, vitamin E oil, just lotion, and I used all that shit, but it fucked up my shirts, because obviously some of them stain, and I just don't like that. And then after my revision, all I used was lotion, and that's all he said. Like, my doctor was the kind of guy, like, dude, like, you can use whatever the fuck you want, but, like, just use lotion, it'll work. So all I did was use lotion this time around, but I got the heat therapy thing from CicaLux, if I said it right, and I hope that works. I'm glad I'm actually taking more care of it, because I wish I had the motivation to keep taking care of it, but it's just so much work. So I hope the CicaLux thing kind of just de-stress me and just helps my scars, because that's like a 2-second thing. You just put it on, it's like tape. You just tape it to yourself and you're good for the day, and then you redo it the next day, and you redo it the next day, you know, like heat up the little stone. It's not as much work, you know, as like just rubbing it all day and putting lotion on it and doing all that, you know. That just takes more work, I feel like. Plus lotion only stays on your body for so long. Plus when you put a shirt on, the shirt kind of soaks up the lotion, you know, and then you kind of have to put it on again. So, yeah, I hope that works. That's pretty much all. Like, I do like a little, oh, also another thing, like, you can tell, like, I do have like a little bit of boobies left, you know, but also, do you not see this? Like, I could be losing some pounds right here. God, like, put a picture, like, pre top surgery. Yeah, you saw that? Now look at me. Now look at me. I've gained a lot of weight, but I actually think it's where I work now, you know. I work at fast food, so I eat for free, you know, and that's what happens, and I can never turn it down. I keep trying, though. But God, I'm so fat. I mean, I know I'm not, like, fat, but in my eyes, like, I'm pretty fat, you know. Like, you know, when I have a shirt on, like, all you trans guys will know, like, when you put a shirt on post pre-surgery, top surgery, you always go like this, and you go like this, you know, you always, like, do that with your shirt. Now I do it with my belly. Now I do it with my freaking belly. Like, my belly will be sticking out, and I'm like, oh my God, I look chubby, and I'll just be doing that with my belly. I don't know why, because I know I'm not, like, completely chubby. Like, I actually look like I don't have any fat on me when I stand this way, but then when I stand this way, you can see it. But when I stand straight, and, like, if you go on my Instagram, I look skinny in all my pictures, but even the guys that are bulky, like fitness models, they even say the same way. If you do angles and you, like, you, like, flex the right way, you will look like perfect. But then obviously in real life, you look different than pictures, you know. So yeah, I am a little chubby. My Instagram, obviously, I look a little less chubby in those pictures, but it's because I try my best not to look chubby. But yeah, I don't know if I'm digging my hair like this. I liked how it looked the other day. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I love every single one of you guys, and I will see you next video. Bye.